How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hello, so today what I'm reviewing is a kickstand pad for your motorcycle. So if you own a Harley or a sports bike, and if you have one of these standard kickstands, I'm sure if you go to like bike rallies and stuff like that, you do run into issues where there's a soft ground, and you know, when you use this kind of pedal or the stands, they kind of sink into the road, right? It's kind of hard for you to park, only because you know you can't really rely on that soft sand. Eventually it gives up. You know, they do sell extenders, you know, which will make it a little bit wider, but they're still not as useful, and it doesn't really work all the time. So I did purchase one to expand it a little bit, you know, just kind of clips on there, but that did not work for me. So what I'm reviewing today is this kickstand pad and this is by Fenrir. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where I got this from, but this is great because this works on all these surfaces. You know, it does work on hard surfaces, rocky, you know, muddy, sand, grass, and you know, even like in your garage, if you're parking a motorcycle on this stand, and if you have a really nice high quality finish, you know, it's not going to work on this. And in my garage, I'm going to show you, it's not listed over here, but what I have in my garage is this flooring right here. And this flooring is an expensive flooring, but what we have here is kind of like openings, and this is like hard plastic. So when I try to park and you know, I can only park on this side, you know, it's very hard, you know, because the motorcycle stand is very harsh on this. You know, since this is plastic, it takes, you know, all that weight is on that one tiny stand, so it can cause damage. So I just installed these in my garage floor, and I wanted to have something that I can rely on. So this is what I'm going to be using, and this is really nice because it's made of like rubber from the bottom, so it has a nice grip to it. It does not move. You know, once it's on there, it's just very hard to move. Like I'm putting a lot of force here just to move it, and then you can see the rubber really grips onto this. So even if you're using this on other surfaces like sand, of course it's not going to have that grip on the sand, but the surface that you have here is going to hold on and grip on that much faster. Same here on the grass, you know, and we can try this on the grass since I do have grass surface, but mainly I got this for my garage flooring. So we're gonna give this a try, and hopefully I'm not gonna damage my floors because I have this now. So let's go ahead and try it on the motorcycle and see how the stand fits her here. So let's try it on this cycle. Oh, I'm just kidding. That's my kid's cycle. Can I try this on yours? Mm-hmm. Yes? All right, so as you can see, this thing is very easy. Let's lift it.
Yes, buddy.
There you go. Slide it and it's done.
I'm eating the banana.
You're eating the banana?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You can eat it. All right. Okay, so here you go. You can see I'm just using this on a concrete surface, and this is bricks, and it's pretty cool. It's working pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the grass over there, and we'll see how well it works on grass. Okay, so let's put this right here, and I'm gonna bring my motorcycle here, and then we'll see how well it works on the grass. Let's go park it on the grass. Okay, I've positioned myself, and here you can see I can move it wherever I want to, and here it is. So it kind of goes in. Wow, nice. Now my bike is parked on a grass. Can't believe this. So this is perfect. I never thought I would find something that would let me park my motorcycle on a soft, mushy surface, and this is pretty. You can see how down it kind of went. That's pretty cool. So they make pretty good, cool stuff. You know, I bought these mirrors from them as well, Fenrir. Again, if you haven't seen this video on the review and installation of this mirror, check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. But they make pretty cool stuff. I'm very impressed with this, so I'm glad I have this. I'm probably going to store this inside. Okay, now I brought my bike inside, and here it is. Now you can also drill a hole and hold it in place so it does not move. But you know, in that case, you know, you're just gonna find one location and hold it in the house if you don't want to carry it with you. But in my case, you know, I'm gonna need to carry it other places, so I'm not gonna drill a hole and hold it in place. But you know, that's another option that you have. See this hole right there? You can hold it in concrete or whatever garage floor you want. But you know, again, you don't really have to. And I think I love it. So you know, guys, hopefully this video helps you guys decide if you're looking for a stand, you know, that will let you park on the grass or muddy, squishy, soft surface. And this is just amazing stuff. I love it so far. So guys, hopefully you like the video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.